Namaskar. Sage Kasyapa had many wives. The children born to his wife Aditi became Devas. The children born to his wife Diti became Asuras. And those of Kadru came to be known as Nagas. Over the generations in the Asura lineage, Sumali, Mali, and Malyavan were born. The three brothers had many children. Sumali's daughter Kaikasi was extraordinarily beautiful and intelligent. One day, when Sumali saw the famed sage Vishrava, Kuber's father, he decided to marry his daughter to this sage. Through scamming and planning, Sumali became successful in his mission, and Vishrava was married to Kaikasi. वैश्रावा और कैकसी कौन है शायद आपको पता नहीं होगा, वो रावण के माता पिता है। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं अपनी स्टोरी में। टुगेदर दे हैड 3 sons named Ravana, Kumkarna and Vibhishana, and a daughter named Surpankha. Ravana's grandfather Pulasya could predict the future. He told Kaikasi, "Your first 2 sons will bring a bad name to your lineage, but the last one will be remembered forever as a good man." Kaikasi, after some thought, raised her children, influenced their ideas and thoughts through 2 cultures, the Vedic culture of his father's density and the warrior ideology of her family. Ravana, Kaikasi's eldest son, was a handsome prince who possessed the qualities of sages as well as asuras. He was also known as Dasagriva, Dasanana, Dasamukha, the man with 10 heads. It wasn't that Ravana really had 10 heads, he had 10-fold knowledge. Through his knowledge and learning, Ravana was aware of what was happening at all the time in all the directions. The 6 directions: north, south, west, east. Up in the sky, down below the earth. He possessed deep knowledge and insight into the 4 Vedas. However, as an Asura, Ravana had weakness for women, a vice he could not rein in, and which eventually led to his downfall. Kumkarna, the second son, was born with predominantly Asura traits, but he was good at heart and obedient to his brother Ravan. He followed his orders without question. His strength worried Indra, who was afraid that if Ravana focused his attention on defeating the gods and took Kumbha's assistance to do that, it would become difficult for the gods to survive the war. कुंभकर्ण में इतनी ताकत थी कि वो इंद्र भी उनसे डरते थे. However, Vibhishana, the youngest prince, was from the beginning inclined towards pity and peace and did not exhibit any demonic traits.